going to see sketch driven pattern. Last time we studied curve driven pattern and we created this pattern. So today we will see what exactly is sketch driven pattern. So for that, first we will create our points. This sketch driven pattern we will draw with the help of points. So select this top surface, sketch, go to sketch and choose this point and fix your points where you want to sketch. 1 point, 2 point, 3, 4. Okay. Now exit from the, we already created sketch many 6, 7 points. Now exit from the sketch. Now see, you can easily look at the points. Now go to feature and drop down the menu and choose sketch driven pattern. Now see the sketch, this point already selected here. Now feature to pattern, what you want to make pattern. So we will select this rectangle, this extrude cut. See, we just selected and this all cutouts will be placed in the center of points. You can easily see in yellow color. Just select OK. See, so this is called sketch driven pattern. It is very helpful and useful tool. I hope you like it.